every step of the way, and every game that we play. We might think that it's okay, yeah. We must be careful every step of the way. Don't wanna make the same mistakes, 'cause I know your heart aches. And if you think that it's okay, yeah, we must be careful every step of the way. Underneath the stars, there's a light that you will see. It will make you think your heart knows the score. And underneath the moon, there is one thing you must do. Just keep your heart out to yourself, 'cause nothing there is true. And don't keep closing the door. I know you've been hurt like me before. Yeah, I want you to listen to what I say. We must be careful every step of the way. And underneath the cloud, it's raining everywhere, and you just don't seem to know which way to go. And there will come a time when the sky will turn to blue. But until then, don't have no fear. Believe my love is waiting here for you. Only for you. Well, I'm gonna ask you to dance, 'cause I think I got a chance. If you say that's okay, yeah. We must be careful every step, so careful every step, careful every step of the way.